Alright guys, and here it is. We completed that road bed going off to the right side from our 7 right-hand turnout. It comes up here and peels off to the right. You see how they're staggered. And then we had a number 6 left-hand turnout going in here. We just staggered them off. And you see we've got solid road bed here for 3 tracks. It's going to come along. We've got some 3-inch screws coming in from this left-hand track, that last road bed I put in to tie it into everything else. Plus they're screwed down here on these risers. It comes all the way along and branches off and takes off into our staging loops. So what we have left here to do now is to come through the sander and sand all this down nice and flat, and then we can come back and we can lay our CVT ties. Here we've got, like you say, those turnout kits. Those are curvable, which really makes your track flow nice. You can't fit those pre-made curved like Pico turnouts in that. You really got to design your track around the turnouts available. Here you can lay your sub road bed, you know, just bend these splines to how it looks good to you, and you can curve your turnouts to make them just flow like water. One thing I did notice as I came through here, I was going to put a number 7 right-hand turnout here. As I had the ties there to line it all up and figure out where the ends of those splines should land, I got looking at it and it was going to curve to the left, which is away from our diverging route, and it just didn't look like it was going to be right. We were going to come in with a little bit of an S-curve right here, and I realized that things will work much better if we put a left in there. It looks like it's a little close on that edge, but it's actually, we're going to set right about in here, and we'll probably have a just a little bit of a curve to the left right through that whole turnout. And so we're going to come in, we can flow right on down the main line, or the straight route is actually going to have a little bit of a curve to it. That's going to roll us into the scale track, and then just past that our number 6 turnout will have pretty much the same curve, you know, following the spline, and it's going to roll us right into our passenger track.